well and having the most incredible day as always. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well. Throughout the Lush community there has been an absolute uproar of speculation, of rumours, of leaked photos, and I had to share them with you because I am so excited for this announcement. I feel like we've needed this for a while as a Lush community, influencer, YouTube channel. I feel like we have needed this as a whole, and Lush are supposedly releasing 28 new bath bombs. 28 new bath bombs on the 27th of April. I honestly cannot wait. I feel like we definitely had this a few years ago where Lush released an absolute mammoth amount of new products, and not only was it incredibly overwhelming, it was so exciting, so fun, and I feel like it really kind of showed Lush what was popular, what people enjoyed, and maybe they're doing it again, I don't really know, but I'm just so excited to share these with you. 28 new bath bombs. Insane. As I said, these are supposedly being released on the 27th of April. I'm not too sure about Europe and also kind of other countries, but in the UK it is supposedly the 27th of April, and I honestly cannot wait. So I'm going to go through them all in today's video, go through the scent families, show you the photos, and we're going to see what's going on. So without further ado, we are going to dive right in. I hope you guys enjoy the video and carry on watching. So I do just want to give a little shout out to ohmylush.nl on Instagram. This is where I'm getting all the photos from, and this is where I'm getting all the scent families from, so thank you so much, and I'm just very excited to go through them all with you. In the photos it is 4 bath bombs per kind of photo, so we're going to go through 4 and then obviously the image will change, so that is how we're going to be doing it, and I'm so excited, so let's go. So the first bath bomb we're going to be getting is the Brother Moon bath bomb, and in terms of how this looks, obviously we've got a blue bottom, a purple top with a silver moon on top of that, and it is giving me kind of Shoot for the Stars vibes. It's giving me that kind of twilight finish in the water. That is how I'm going to imagine it. And in terms of scent, this is supposedly rhubarb and rose scented, which is a really beautiful fragrance. It's going to be kind of florally but also fresh at the same time, and I am just really excited about it. So that is the first one, and to be honest with you, I feel like if you like a twilight bath bomb, you're probably going to really like this one. The next bath bomb, I'm not gonna lie, I'm really not sure about it. This is Beat the Clock Badger bath bomb, which I just don't really understand it. Is it a badger sitting in a corn on the cob? I cannot really quite tell. I feel like I'm just being really stupid, but I honestly cannot kind of figure out what that is. And in terms of fragrance, this one is candy corn lip scrub scented. How random. How random. I mean, is it sat in corn? Because that kind of makes sense. It looks like it's sat in a corn on the cob and it's a badger. I feel like this is the most bizarre bath bomb I've ever seen, and it kind of does make sense if it is candy corn scented and it's sat in a corn, but I just don't really understand this one. I might be being really stupid, and I feel like maybe there is a reason behind this. Please let me know down below if there is a specific reason that this relates to. Let me know, but I just don't really understand it, and I probably wouldn't buy this one. I much prefer Brother Moon over this one, just overall design and probably fragrance. But yeah, I don't really understand that one, I'm not gonna lie. Then we have the Apple a Day bath bomb, which is a little tiny apple, and it looks like it's got wheels. I'm not really sure what that's about, but you've kind of got this little caterpillar coming out of it. I think for children that is such a beautiful one. I mean for adults as well, obviously, but I think it's definitely got that kind of kids appeal, which is really fun. And in terms of the fragrance, this is the Atom Heart scented, which I think Atom Heart, was that the same scent as So White? Let me know down below. I honestly cannot quite remember. I feel like the Atom Heart bath bomb, it was blue, wasn't it, and it had the clouds on it. I have a feeling it was So White scented, but I might be completely off my Lush game with that one. I feel like maybe it was though, or it was definitely a fresh smell. But anyway, it was delicious nonetheless, and to be honest with you, that one is quite cute, and I probably would pick that one up for myself. I'm not gonna lie, I do quite like it. Then we have the Somewhere bath bomb. This one is definitely a bit of me. This is something that I would purchase for myself. It is a rainbow bath bomb. It looks like it's got so many beautiful colours in it. I don't know whether it's got glitter, but it looks absolutely beautiful. And in terms of fragrance, this one is supposedly the Olive Branch scented, which I'm not gonna lie, I feel like the scent and the image, it doesn't really correlate in my brain. I feel like I would have thought it would have been maybe really fruity, or maybe even like really sweet or something like that. Just from the look of it, I wouldn't picture the Olive Branch. Does that make sense? It doesn't give me that fresh, light, gentle vibe from the look of it, but I do like the smell of the Olive Branch. It's just not my favourite, but I do love the look of this bath bomb. It's a cute little rainbow. I don't know what you wouldn't enjoy about that, so I am enjoying that one. The next one, at first, I'm not gonna lie, I really just did not clock what this was supposed to be, and then it hit me and it kind of made sense. So this is the iconic Door bath bomb, and at first I was thinking like, why a bath bomb in the shape of a door. Like, I really don't understand it, but obviously it's supposed to be the door of the original Lush shop in Poole, which is 29 High Street, which is probably, I am going to check what it's going to smell like, but I think it does. The iconic door, yes, it's 29 High Street scented, so for the smell alone, I will absolutely be picking one of these up because I love that smell so much. It is so nostalgic to me, and just the smell of 29 High Street is enough to literally make me want to buy 30. So I will probably pick up a couple of those, and I think from the colour of it as well, it's going to turn the water like a really beautiful greeny blue. I feel like it's going to kind of give you Golden Wonder kind of water, which I'm really excited about. Then we have the American Cream Bath Bomb. This one is definitely a bit of me. I absolutely love the scent of American Cream. It reminds me of holidays, and I absolutely love that smell. This one looks beautiful. It's like a white bath bomb with some like pink stars. It looks like it might have confetti in it as well, which I'm really excited about. And obviously this one is American Cream scented, so it's going to smell really kind of creamy, strawberry, kind of like a strawberry milkshake. That's the kind of vibe it gives me, and I absolutely love that conditioner so much. So this is going to be a good one to go for. The next one we have is the Crackle Bath Bomb. This one I cannot really figure out what it's supposed to be. I originally thought maybe it's an egg with like a dragon on the inside. Maybe it's got popping candy in it. I'm not really sure. Let me know down below what you think this one is. I might be completely off my bat here. I feel like maybe I'm just not seeing what it's supposed to be. But like zooming in, it's got horns. Is it supposed to be a dragon in an egg? I have no idea. Fragrance wise for this one, it's described as Haribo sweet scented, so I have no idea what it's going to smell like apart from Haribo sweets, which if you're not from the UK or you don't have Haribo sweets, I'm guessing it's just a very sweet foodie kind of smell, but that one is really interesting. And then lastly in this image we have the Chelsea Morning Bath Bomb, which looks like it's giving clouds and blue skies at the bottom and then a sunrise, sunsetty kind of vibe on the top. It looks really, really interesting. I'm intrigued to see what colour the water would go, because you've got like orange, yellow, red, white, blue. Like, is it going to go brown? I'm not really sure. And scent wise, this one is supposedly butterscotch scented, so I'm thinking, is it going to smell like yognog? Which if it does, hallelujah, praise the Lord, we love yognog over here on this channel. But is the image of this screaming yognog to me? Absolutely not. So again, it's one of those things where I do think certain scents from Lush kind of like they suit a certain product. Do you know what I mean? Like for me, Twilight and that kind of smell, it gives me calm. It gives me like purple, blue, white, kind of really relaxing colours. So for me, yognog is always going to give me like that honey golden colour, not red, yellow, orange and blue. But anyway, then we have an absolute classic. We've got the Giant Intergalactic Bath Bomb. Now, I'm not gonna lie, I feel like this is the least kind of bath bomb I would want as a giant bath bomb, because the pigmentation in this product in a normal size bath bomb is absolutely insane. Like if you pick it up while it's fizzing, your hand will be stained blue, and it does concern me that this is going to be probably at a guess about this size, and I feel like that is just too much colour and everything like that to be in the water, in such a small amount of water. So I will not be picking one of these up. If you buy one of these, absolutely enjoy it, but maybe don't wash your hair in it, because if you've got blonde hair or any kind of light coloured hair, it may be stained blue. So just watch out for that one. But if you guys don't know what Intergalactic is, it is the most beautiful blue bath bomb full of glitter. It's got pink, it's got yellow, and it smells like mint. It is such a beautiful product, but I will never wash my hair in an intergalactic bath, let alone a giant intergalactic bath. It's just going to be a lot going on. We then have the Slammer Bath Bomb. This one is a really beautiful yellow and turquoisey green colour. It looks really, really interesting, and scent wise, this one is supposedly, this one just says it's Slammer scented, so I'm not really sure what that smells like. If you guys know what Slammer smells like, please let me know down below. Is it sweet? I was gonna say, is it savoury? But you guys know what I mean. Is it sweet? Is it floral? Is it earthy? Let me know. But this one looks like a nice, simple kind of bath bomb. It doesn't look like it has too much going on, so we love that. The next bath bomb, I'm not gonna be able to pronounce. It looks like it says, I thought it said droids, but it doesn't. It's like druids. Is that how you pronounce it? Druids. I don't think that's correct, but in terms of smell, this one smells like, this one actually doesn't say what it smells like, so I have absolutely no idea. It is giving me earthy, kind of green, mossy vibes just from looking at it, but it is probably completely different. It is usually the case. When it looks like it's a garden, it won't smell like a garden, but this one is giving me mossy, earthy, woodsy kind of smells, and it looks beautiful. It's like a green colour with these beautiful like gold leaves on it, so I'm intrigued to smell that one. We then have the Hexagon Bath Bomb. This one looks really, really fun. This is like a beautiful, I don't know, it's got like 3 or 4 different colour blues on it. It looks so fun and so unique, and I think the water will just turn a really beautiful deep ocean blue colour. And in terms of the fragrance, this one is Bat Art or Junk scented. So Bat Art, it smells really good actually, Bat Art. I can't really remember what it smelled like, but in my head I'm envisioning, did it smell like blackcurranty? Was it fruity? Let me know on that one. I cannot quite remember, because I remember I did have a Bat Art bath bomb, but that was an absolute age ago because I avoided getting it a few times because of the colour, but when I did use it I really enjoyed it. So that is the Hexagon bath bomb, which again looks really, really fun, and I love all the blue colours. I like that I'll know that the water will go blue and it's not going to be a mystery like brown kind of shade, you know. Then we have Time of the Season, which is a neon yellowy green colour with a pink middle. And in terms of fragrance, this one is, again, this one doesn't say what it smells like. I am so sorry, it doesn't actually say on the list, but this one looks really interesting. I feel like, again though, is it going to go brown or is it going to go orange? I feel like it could go really 50-50 depending on which colour is most prominent in the bath bomb. I feel like if it's a more green bath bomb with a smidgen of pink, is it likely to go brown? I feel like it definitely could, but the next bath bomb is really intriguing me. This is the Passion Bath Bomb, and it is the most beautiful thing. It is like a yellow, purple, it's got pinks, it's all kind of swirling into one. It looks really, really fun, and this one, fragrance-wise, smells like, oh, the Passion Fruit Delight or SpongeBob fragrance. This is going to smell heavenly. I absolutely love the smell of the passion fruit kind of, what was it like that marshmallow stuff? I think it smelled incredible, and I honestly loved it. So yeah, I'm gonna absolutely have to buy 30 of those for sure. The next one we have is Pig in a Poke. It's giving me a pig in a pineapple car situation. I don't really understand that one either. I feel like it's a bit strange, and it doesn't actually say what it smells like either. It's probably going to smell like the pineapple from the SpongeBob range. That is what I'm gonna guess. I'm putting it out there. Does it smell like that? Let me know. Anyone who works for Lush, and if you've smelt this, please let me know down below. But yeah, I don't really understand the kind of character bath bombs. They're a little bit bizarre and a little bit random. It seems to be that they're kind of little creatures driving a car made out of a food, which I don't really understand. The next one looks really interesting. This is Thermal Waves and is an absolute rainbow of colour. I would hope that this didn't go brown in the water. I feel like this definitely, again, could go brown. However, if it is more prominent to be purple and blue, then hopefully the water will look absolutely beautiful. This one is supposed to be peach and pineapple scented, so again, a really fruity, fresh kind of smell. Those sorts of smells are the ones that I enjoy personally. I absolutely love a fruity kind of fragrance, so I'm definitely going to have to smell one of those. Then we have the Mega Bus Bath Bomb. This is giving me Magic School Bus vibes. On the Magic School Bus, Navigator Nostrum, I'm on the Magic School Bus. If you guys didn't watch the Magic School Bus, then you're probably going to have no idea what I'm talking about, but it was this program on TV where these kids went in it and it was like a magic bus. That is what it's giving me. And fragrance wise, this one is Yellow Submarine Bath Bomb Scented. Again, this one I believe was a really fruity fragrance. It does look very similar to Yellow Submarine, so I'm really excited to give that one a try. We then have the Goldfish Bath Bomb, which looks really interesting. It's got some really lovely gold kind of shimmer on that one, and in terms of fragrance, this one is Geode Bath Bomb Scented, and I don't think I liked that one. From what I remember, I feel like it's a bath bomb fragrance, which I didn't like, but I actually cannot remember what it smelled like. Did it smell like a garden? I feel like it might have done. But yeah, I'm intrigued to smell it again. I want to smell all these in person because I feel like sometimes reading a scent and smelling it is so different. Next we have the Woodstock Bath Bomb. This is one of the bath bombs that comes in the muslin cloth, so it means it's usually got some things inside that you don't particularly want floating about. So if you buy this bath bomb, don't open it and put it in the water because it's probably going to be full of like petals and that kind of thing that you probably don't want just like floating about in the bath. Do you know what I mean? And in terms of fragrance, this one is, it doesn't say either, so I can't actually tell you, I'm so sorry. But again, it's green, it looks to be, so maybe it's going to be earthy. It's called Woodstock. Is it going to be woodsy? I feel like that would make sense. We then have 2 bath bombs which look to be the kind of salt infused bath bombs. The first one we have is Dream Cream and the second one is Cold Water Soother. And in terms of smells, obviously the Dream Cream I'm going to imagine is Dream Cream scented. Would you believe it? Yes, it is. It is Dream Cream scented. And then the other one, which is called, what was it called again? Something Soother. So this one just says Cold Water Soother in brackets Epsom salt. So I'm not too sure if it just smells like Epsom salts or whether it doesn't have much of a smell. I'm not even too sure, but it looks really nice anyway, so I'm excited to try that one. The next 4 bath bombs are all kind of flower bath bombs, I guess. They all have a very similar name. So you have the blue flower, which is chamomile, you have the yellow flower, which is lemon, the purple flower, which is lavender, and the orange flower, which is orange. So obviously in the name you've got a lemon one, an orange one, a chamomile one, and a lavender one. I feel like if it was me, I would have personally put the chamomile and the lavender together and maybe made a different fragrance. I feel like that would have worked really well, and I would have liked to have had maybe something, I don't know, maybe something not fruity, maybe like a sweet one, or for you earthy kind of lovers, maybe like a more earthy, neutral, subtle smell, but I'm excited to give those a try as well. And last but not least, we have the last set of photos. So the first 2 are Ickle Baby Bots. Now these I absolutely love. We used to have them before. I didn't even realise that they got discontinued, to be honest. I completely forgot. And it looks like we have 1 blue one and 1 purple one, which is exciting, and I'm guessing that both of these smell the same, so they smell like really gentle, subtle lavender, which is really, really beautiful. But I think maybe we have 1 pinky purple and 1 blue, just so that people have more option of colour. And lastly is the world's smallest disco bath bomb. I think we have had this before. I think it used to be completely different in terms of design. Correct me if I'm wrong, but was it black and it had loads of discs of colour in it? I'm really kind of thinking that's what it was, but in terms of fragrance, this one is... So in terms of fragrance, it doesn't actually say what it smells like, but it does say revamped under it, which means I think I'm correct in that we have had this before, but it's just a new kind of design, which I'm really excited about. So those are all of the new 28 bath bombs that Lush are going to be releasing in April. I honestly wish I could just go to the Lush shop, buy them all, and kind of do a massive unboxing for you guys, but it honestly is just so expensive that I don't think I'm going to be able to. I might do a Lush kind of shop with me where I take you guys into Lush, maybe kind of film a few clips in the store of me smelling all the products. Let me know if you'd like to see that, and I actually have to check whether you can film in a Lush shop. I'm not even too sure, but if I can, that might be really fun, so let me know if you'd like to see that. But that is everything for today's video. I really hope you guys did enjoy. I would love to know down below, are you going to buy any of these? What ones do you like? Actually, let me know, what is your most favourite and your least favourite? I would have to say I'm most excited, I think. I'm going to have to say I'm the most excited about the Dream Cream one because I absolutely love the smell, and I'm least excited about the Beat the Badger because it looks like a corn on the cob. Not my vibe. But anyway, that is everything for today's video. I really, really hope you guys did enjoy. As always, if you haven't subscribed, please do so now. I would absolutely love to have you join my corner of the internet. We are so, so close to 11,000 subscribers. So if you are sitting there, you haven't subscribed, or you haven't made a channel, please, please do and subscribe and support me. I would really appreciate it. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoy. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next one. Bye, guys.